Hi everyone! Happy New Year! Yan po, nandito na naman po kami sa likod ng ng bundok. Papunta sa bundok, maglakad-lakad. Yan po. Hindi pa nakauwi si Kuya. Nag-spend ng New Year sa kanilang barkada. Kami lang tatlo. So ito, naglalakad po kami. Ayan. Ang ating puro puti ang nakikita. Kaya sabi nila samahan ko silang maglakad-lakad kasi dadalawa sila. So yan. Hindi naman masyadong malamig ngayon. Pero nag-overdress po ako. Naglagay pa ako ng scarf kasi sabi ko baka malamig. Pero hindi naman masyadong malamig. Kaya kahit walang gloves, okay lang. May nagja-jogging. New Year's resolution siguro magpapayat.
World War II, when we see this is considered to be a whole group of heroes. Harry and Sally's place. Maybe they go to Washington State for a bath.
Hinahanap pa namin yung ducks, wala.
The amount of water, and they've got
Nauna po ako maglakad kasi ang bagal ko daw.
the whole of California getting just drenched.
Nakaganyan po. Nasa po kami. Sa likod ng bundok. Forest.
What will also happen, 10 feet of snow at Mammoth. Why didn't the Americans do that?
Yan po ang aming lalakarin. Dito lang sa trail.
There are, I think in Arizona,
Yan po.
you get to about 14,000 feet.
Naririnig kong mga bata. So, nung maliliit sila Kuya at Bunsa, may playground dito. Diyan sila naglalaro. May mga bata nga doon. Ayan. Yan, ang lalakarin po namin. Di ba puting-puti? Maganda po dito mag-jogging pag summer. Kaya lang ang nakakatakot po pag may makasalubong kang bear. Pero dito kayo madalas naglalakad nila daddy. So, nandito na po kami. Malapit na po sa... Kasi pupunta po kami ng lake. Lakad-lakad. Pag may nakita po kayong ganyan yan, ang kulay is yellow. That means, po yan? Ihi ng aso. Ayan. Ang cute. Mag-i-sled sila yung mga bata. Okay. Nandito na naman po ako sa likuran nila. Puro bundok ang nakikita. So yan po, papasok na po kami sa sa forest. Pupunta sa lake. Yan yung kanal. Ayan po ang palibot. Puno. If you're in a classroom, you have to do a lot of home and self-study. So you do it.
how steady you're going to learn. Lot more better than classroom's helpful to get answers to questions you wouldn't otherwise be able to get. Right? If you're going to school and school adult, school goes with you. You literally could pick up my phone book and go, okay, you want to talk to me? I said, that's not true. You want to talk to me here?
Ang ganda po. Ang ganda dito sa may ano, ilalim ng mga puno. Alam niyo po, pinagpapawisan na ako. Overdress po ata ako dahil hindi naman gaanong malamig. Ganda ng mga puno, oh. Puting-puti. Ay, nandito na po kami sa may lake.
Drug house. Oh, look at all the fish in there.
Well, they had good insurance.
Oh, the fish?
No.
Did you see any fish?
Oh, yeah. Dozens.
May isda daw dyan.
Oh, they walk
Saan naman? Sabi niya meron. Oh. Sabi niya may isda.
okay.
Yeah, it's beautiful. Well, it's nice because it's not that cold.
What's that?
It's nice because it's not that cold.
Look down here at the trees with the snow on them.
Yeah.
Imagine what it looked like a couple days ago in the fall. I've been skating on the lake down there.
Already?
Yeah.
May mga nag-skating na doon sa may lake eh. Hindi pa naman gaanong malamig. Manipis pa yung ano. Ayan oh, nag-skating na yun.
Those people are not on land. They're skating on the lake. Right off where the dock is. You're arguing with your dad. If I can see it, then you can see it. No, I didn't know that. You go around the lake here, or just,
Dito, dati, dito kami nagja-jogging. Nililikot, iniibot namin itong lake. Ayan, kasi maganda. Dito kami laging natambay nung mga bata pa sila kuya at bunso. Dito palagi po, lalo na pag summer. Nandito lang kami. Kaya pag summer, sobrang itim namin tatlo. Kasi dito kami palagi natambay. Oh, dito ang ganda po.
was a low man. Well, they had millions of chips. I had 450,000. You can see the thickness of the ice there, that hole.
Dito na po kami sa may lake.
We've got to get a little colder yet. It's plus temperatures right now.
Ang ganda, hindi gaanong malamig ang
See those light gray spots?
iniikot ko lang po sa
Those
kayo.
are holes.
Diyan kami, diyan ako nagma-mushroom sa taas.
Right? Once you get in there, every time you grab it, the ice, it breaks away.
Yeah.
Yeah. Doesn't come.
That's my point.
Well, but you see, finding fault like that never solves the problem.
Ganda
All
po.
you do is point a finger and make another person.
So yan po, this is my mini vlog for today. And thanks for watching. Bye-bye.
This one?